Court is calling 2020-25 CR 007922 State versus Jesus Suarez Marino. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Rick Payne for the state of Texas.
Javier Padilla for the defendant.
And are you Mr. Marino? All right, you're here for a motion to reduce.
Okay, we've got a motion to reduce bond. And right away, here's what's at stake: freedom versus flight risk. Marino's defense thinks he deserves a second chance. The prosecution? Not so much. Let's see who makes the stronger case.
Reduce bond, is that correct?
That's correct.
All right, we were here on October 7th. The motion to reduce bond at that time was withdrawn by the defense. The state agreed for your witnesses to be able to appear by Zoom, but you wanted your witness in person. That's correct?
And they're here today, Judge.
All right, state, have you had a chance to review the defense's motion?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you in agreement to a bond reduction? All right, defense, it's your motion. You may proceed. Do you have any witnesses?
I do. I would like to call Mr. Alex Afram.
Over here, sir. I'm right here with your back again.
And counsel, your client does not need an
No,
interpreter. Okay.
my client does not. Just his mother. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. All right, could you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
My name is Alex Afram.
Could you spell your last name, please?
Yeah, A is an apple, F is in Frank, R is in Robert, A is an apple, M is in Mary.
All right. You may proceed.
Good morning, Mr. Afram.
Morning.
All right, and so if you all could do me a favor, because the court reporter has to hear, and I know it's normal to face counsel.
Sure.
Yes. All right, and if you'll keep your voice up for the court reporter. All right, defense, you may proceed.
We're here on a bond reduction hearing for Jesus Suarez Marino. Do you know Jesus?
I sure did.
How do you know him?
I am his boss.
Okay. Tell me about your business. What kind of business do you have?
I'm a licensed general contractor here in San Antonio. We've been in business for many years, and Jesus was one of my good employees.
Okay. What kind of work does he do for you?
Jesus is an electrician.
Do you know his family as well?
I do. I know his wife. I know his kids. Yeah.
He's got a job waiting, a boss who trusts him, and 5 years of reliability. But here's the million-dollar question. Does steady employment outweigh the nature of the charge? Let us know, should that matter when deciding bond.
Has Jesus been a good employee for you?
Yes, it's been excellent. Yeah.
Would you say he's been dependable,
Yes, absolutely.
reliable?
Yes, absolutely.
If he's granted bond, do you believe he will appear for any court?
Absolutely, he will. Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Do you have any concern or fear that he might flee and not appear for court?
No, not at all.
So if he is released on bond, does he have a job waiting for you?
Yes, I
For him
actually,
with you?
sure, absolutely. The
Yeah.
moment he's out, I'll hire him back right away.
Okay. And how much does he get paid per hour?
He gets paid about $250 per day.
Per day?
Mhm.
Okay. All right. And he works how many days a week?
He works about 5 days.
And there's plenty of work for him, so he will be actively employed. What he's doing.
Absolutely, yes.
I'll pass the witness. Your Honor.
State.
Cash only? Daily pay? Now this might seem minor, but from a legal standpoint, cash-based employment can raise eyebrows in bond hearings, especially when assessing accountability and traceability.
Good morning.
I guess start with that.
Yeah.
Thank you. You said you're a general contractor?
Yes, sir.
What is Mr. Smart's position?
Electrician?
Electrician.
Mhm.
How long has he been working with you?
Over 5 years?
5 years.
Mhm.
Okay. Any issues with his work during that time?
No, not at all.
Has he ever shown a place to work at any point?
No, he always shows up.
And you said he makes how much per day, sir?
About 250?
$250?
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah, he's an electrician.
Okay. Does he get paid cash? You give him checks weekly? Or
I'll pay him cash.
Cash?
Yeah.
Cash daily?
Yeah.
Okay. And you said he works 5 days a week?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you aware of any problems he may have with alcohol or substance abuse?
No,
Has he
I'm not
ever-
aware of that.
Has he ever shown concerns to you about it?
No,
Are you aware of the charge that's been given?
I'm kind of aware of it, yes.
Are you aware a little bit of the facts about what happened or not?
Not the whole facts, but I've heard about it.
Um, so despite this, you would feel comfortable hiring him?
Absolutely, he's been around my.
And there it is. The job sites he'd return to, often occupied, often by women, and sometimes he's working alone. Depending on the underlying charge, this could either mean nothing or everything.
Family, my wife, my daughter, my kids. We've been in multiple homes with multiple females in there. No problem at all.
What type of job site do you guys go to on a regular basis?
We do full rehabs,
So is it residential or commercial?
residential.
Residential.
Mhm.
Okay. These residential homes that you come to, are they occupied by the people or are they gone when you guys are working?
Sometimes they're occupied by people, but majority of them are not occupied.
When they are occupied by people,
Mhm.
is it men, women that are there?
Mostly women,
Mostly women?
mostly women, yes.
Um. The further questions of someone afterwards.
Nothing further.
All right, I have a couple of questions. Any objections?
Nothing today.
All right, so these homes that he's in,
Mhm.
is there any supervision by anyone else or is he in there by himself?
A lot of times he's by himself. We assign him the job and he's by himself. I've never heard anything negative.
And these hours that he works or would be working with you, are these daytime hours, nighttime hours?
Sometimes nighttime, sometimes daytime. It depends on customers.
And would it be on the weekends as well?
Sometimes on weekends, yes.
All right, thank you so much for coming in
Your Honor.
and thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
Thank you.
All right, you may call your next witness.
I'll call Maria Moreno.
All right, we have an interpreter for this witness, is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
And is the language Spanish?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, if I could have the interpreter, if you could raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will faithfully translate from English into Spanish and Spanish into English, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand if you'll state your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Catalina Delgado, spelled Delgado, license number 2222.
All right, if you could raise your right hand for me, please. Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, you may lower your hand. All right, defense, you may proceed.
Thank you, Judge. Tell us your name, please.
María del Socorro Moreno.
María del Socorro Moreno.
And are you the mother of Jesus Suarez Moreno?
Soy la mamá de Jesús Suárez Moreno.
I am the mother of Jesus Suarez Moreno.
Tell me about your family. How many children do you have?
6 hijos.
I have 6 children.
And
Pro tip: if there's a court interpreter, use the interpreter. This judge is clearly trying to keep the record clean, but it's also a subtle reminder. Courtroom procedures matter, even in emotional family testimony.
Jesus, where does he fit in that group of 6?
Es el más chico. ¿Cómo el más chico? Okay.
He's the youngest. He's the youngest.
And you have grandchildren, great-grandchildren?
17.
Okay. Now, are you employed?
No,
Espera hasta aquí. If I may, Judge.
That's okay.
She's answering before.
No. So, excuse me, miss. So we either have to use the interpreter or not. Sometimes I know that people are in the middle of a conversation and they know how a question is going to go, but it would make it so easy for the court reporter if you'll wait until the interpreter finishes interpreting and then answer.
está bien.
Very well.
Okay.
Gracias.
Let's interpret. Okay, where was I? Grandkids, 17 grandkids. Okay. Are you retired? Are you still employed?
I don't work. I'm retired.
Okay. And where is your address? Where do you live? If your son is released on bond, would he be living with you?
Sí.
Yes.
Have you ever known,
So here's the math. The family can't afford the current $125,000 bond, but they might manage $3,000 if the judge reduces it. Should financial hardship factor into bond decisions, or is that just the consequence of serious charges? You tell us.
you know Jesus is an electrician, right?
Sí.
Yes.
Have you ever known him to not show up to work, to skip work, to not call in, any of those things?
No. No.
No.
Has he always been good and dependable about his employment?
Yes.
Now, do you know how much the bond is in this case?
Sí.
Yes.
How much is it?
123. 123.
123,000.
Actually, it's 125, but that's close enough.
Okay.
Do you know that to post a bond in Bear County generally, you need 10%?
Sí.
Yes.
And in this case, 10% would be $12,500.
Yes.
Can you afford to come up with $12,500?
No.
No.
Okay. Would any amount of bond that the judge sets, would that be paid by you?
Sí. La mitad de esa cantidad.
Yes, half of that amount.
You would get help with whatever the amount is.
Sorry?
No, you said half. Does that mean that somebody else would pay the other half?
No. Yo pagaría, pero, o sea, me dijo que
Okay,
I would pay, but you said half.
no, está enseñando.
So half would be 12?
Sí. No, la mitad.
Half.
Ajá.
Okay. Now, if the judge lowers the bond to say 30,000,
Ujú.
would you be able to come up with
Yes.
$3,000?
Sí, yes, sí.
Yes.
Sí.
Okay. Would you be able to come up with any more than $3,000?
5.
So you could come up with $5,000, meaning the bond would be 50,000.
Yes.
And is that what you would like the judge to set the bond at?
Yes.
And you know that, of course, if you put up that money, you're responsible. So would you assure the court that Jesus would show up to court for all these future hearings?
Sí.
Yes.
I'll pass the witness, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. My name is so, Jesus is your son,
Sí, sí.
Yes, sir.
and you said how many children do you want?
6.
6.
Okay, how many of those are sons and how many of those are daughters?
4 mujeres y 2 hombres.
4 females and 2 males.
Okay, so 4 daughters and 2 sons,
Sí,
Yes.
and you're saying if this is the youngest, correct?
más chico.
The youngest.
He's the youngest, okay. What are the ages of your other children, please?
El primer, el fish tiene 52.
The first one is 52.
La mujer, Fish, la primera hija tiene 49.
And the second child, my first daughter, she's 49.
Sí, no, sobre 48.
The next one is 48, the other daughter.
46.
The first child, also a woman, she's 46.
40.
The next one is 40.
Sí.
And then Chewy, my son, I'm not exactly sure, but I believe he's 34.
That's your son, 34?
Yes, this is- I know. I believe so. He was born in 93.
Okay, so your oldest son is 52 years old. And you
Sí,
have
sí.
4 daughters that are 49, 48, 46, and 40.
Sí.
Okay,
Yes.
and where do your other son and your 4 daughters live?
My first son is in Mexico. And my other 2 daughters are here. And the 2 daughters in Mexico.
2 daughters in Mexico and 2 daughters here.
Sí.
Do the 2 daughters that are living here live with you?
No,
Okay, so
they're married.
they're married. Okay, so who lives with you?
Son.
I live alone.
Okay, so if
I
your
love my house.
okay, so if your son Jesus is granted bond, he'll come live with you. Is that correct?
Sí, señor.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You said you had 17 grandchildren as well? Congratulations.
Yes,
Um,
thank you.
Do you know how many of those are granddaughters and grandsons? That's probably the last one. I'll take that. What are the general age ranges of your grandchildren?
La mayor tiene 28, es doctora en Monterrey. El segundo es hombre, tiene 20.
That's we don't have to do one at a time. What's your oldest one and what's your youngest?
Sí, tiene 28 y la más chiquita tiene va a cumplir 8 en diciembre.
My oldest granddaughter is 28. She's a doctor in Monterrey. My youngest granddaughter out of all of them, she's 8. She's gonna be 8 in December.
Now, of those 7, you have more granddaughters or grandsons?
I have 3 great granddaughters.
Okay, so 3 granddaughters and then the other 14 are grandsons. Is that
3 great
great
granddaughters.
granddaughters? Oh, okay. Well, congratulations. Okay. Now you said that if he was granted bond, you would pay half of that amount. Is that correct?
Yes,
But who would pay the other?
that's what I'm going to pay.
Right. You pay one half, but who pays the other?
¿Cuánto sería en total? Es que yo estaba nada más para de los 12 la mitad.
How much would be the total? Because I thought from the 12th I would pay half.
Right, okay, all right, so we'll find out who's gonna pay with that, correct? All right, now, if your son comes to live with you or any of your daughters, your great granddaughters, granddaughters, when come visit?
Yes, yes.
Are you aware of the nature of the charge that's currently pending against their case?
Yes.
Knowing that he is charged with that, do you have any concerns for the daughter, your granddaughters, and your great granddaughters?
No.
No,
Okay, have you ever been concerned about that type of behavior upon his system?
No.
no, never.
To your knowledge, does Jesus drink alcohol?
Yes,
To your knowledge, have you ever had a concern for him abusing her?
No.
no,
So he hasn't directed any.
No.
no.
Only one.
Only one beer.
Awesome. Can we drink one beer at a time?
And one time.
One. So he's been drunk one time before, I'm confused.
No.